Hey, this is Mike with A&M. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make some money off of scrap metal. So today we got a call. He wants all these appliances to go. So we don't know if they're working or if they're all broken. I'm gonna ask him. So basically we're gonna charge him $100 to take all these appliances, a couple fridges, we got wash machines, and a stove over there. If they all work, they can be anywhere from $50 to $100 each. I actually have a guy who will buy broken appliances for anywhere from $20 to $50 as well. So we're gonna load these up and then we're gonna take them back to the property, go over all of them and look over them and see if any of them are working, or if not, they will probably be scrap metal, which just in scrap metal alone would probably be $50 to $100. So easy way to make 200 bucks. So let's go. All right guys, we just got everything unloaded off the trailer, so now we can take a little bit of a better look at this stuff. This stove, I don't think we're gonna be able to save. I do have all the things inside here, but I don't really have time to mess with that, so we'll probably scrap that. We got a wash machine. Doesn't look too bad on the inside actually. And I'm sure it works. These older models are usually easier to fix. So I think we could get anywhere from 100 to 150 bucks for that. Then we have this fridge. Do not know if it works yet, but if it does work, we can probably get 100 to 150 bucks for that. If not, it'd be scrap as well. This stove, this is really old. We're gonna definitely just use that for scrap. Then this fridge right here, that looks like a nice fridge. If that works, we can get anywhere from 150 to 250. But if not, obviously we'll take it to the scrap. On this side, we have this right here. This is another older version of a wash machine. And I don't know what year, but it looks like 70s or something to me. A Sears Kenmore 700. That's probably gonna be scrap. I don't think I have any use for that. But here's another washing machine, and that's the same thing as the other one, an older model that can be easily fixed. So I think we can get anywhere from 100 to 150 bucks for that once we get it working. Yeah guys, overall, we made $100 on the initial pickup. If we can actually fix some of these up and sell them, we can make an additional, you know, anywhere from 200 to 400, maybe more on that. So just an easy way to make money. It only took us a total of 45 minutes to go there, bring it back, and then now all we have to do is just look at these and fix them up and sell them, or just scrap them all, which we have other stuff we need to take to the scrapyard anyways. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. If you want to see anything else like this, let us know. If you have any other things you want us to do, don't be afraid to leave a comment, and we'll see you guys next time.